We went to check out the new rides at the updated Camp Snoopy at Knott's Berry Farm. In 2024, Knott's Berry Farm revamped 4 rides in their children's area called Camp Snoopy. The most exciting one is Snoopy's Tenderpaw Twister Coaster, which replaced the old roller coaster. It felt smoother with more turns. Then we tried out Sally's Swing Along, a bench-style swing which replaced the old Ferris wheel. Next to it was the new Camp Snoopy's Off-Road Rally, an updated version of the previous car track. Then we went to the Beagle Express Railroad, which is the train ride with some updated characters along the route. While some old rides were removed completely, many of the other ones remain. Charlie Brown's Kite Flyer goes around in circles as you sit on a swing. Rapid River Run is a rocking boat that spins around. Pig Pen's Mud Buggies has bouncing cars that go around in a circle. Linus Launcher has you lie down as you fly like a hang glider. Balloon Race is a casual ride around in a circle. Flying Ace is a kids-only ride in an airplane. Then we went to Sierra Sidewinder, the wildest ride in Camp Snoopy for slightly older kids.
Here we go, bud.
That's Camp Snoopy, but there are many other kid and toddler-friendly rides throughout the rest of Knott's Berry Farm.